This is my video of The Legend of the Cadejo by me, Amilcar Corado. The Legend of the Cadejo in Guatemala. One of the best known Guatemalan legends and a representative part of the country's folklore, it has been passed down through generations via oral tradition. It forms part of the nation's cultural identity, blending indigenous and Spanish elements to reflect the universal struggle between good and evil, divine protection, and the perils of the night. Origins of the legend. The legend doesn't now stem from a single author, as it belongs to Guatemala oral tradition. Researchers believe it originated between the 16th and 17th centuries, when Mayan beliefs regarding protective spirits merged with European concepts brought by the Spanish concerning demons, punishment, and supernatural beings. Main characters: White Cadejo. A huge white dog with glowing eyes represents goodness, protection, and safety. Black Cadejo. A large black dog with red eyes represents evil, fear, and a danger. Okay, the legend of the Cadejo tells tradition holds that two Cadejos are in constant conflict, yet neither can defeat the other, as they represent the balance between good and evil. When a person encounters them, the outcome depends on their action and the life they led. If they were kind-hearted, the white Cadejo protected them. If they acted with malice or irresponsibility, the black Cadejo might pursue them. Cultural significance and symbolism. It represents the richness of national folklore and demonstrates how ancient beliefs remain alive within Guatemala culture. References to it are commonly found in literary works, paintings, plays, folk tales, symbolism, the struggle between good and evil. 3. Variations and adaptations. The story varies depending on the region of Guatemala. Some versions that state that the White Cadejo protects only good people, or the White Cadejo protects even those who have made mistakes, giving them a second chance. The Black Cadejo appears on only to intoxicate people. The Black Cadejo can cause illness, madness, or death through fear. Okay, this is a video for appearance of Cadejo. Okay, this video real or fake, but I don't know. Number 4. Moral or message. The legend conveys several lessons. The main moral is good actions and responsibility behavior help protect us from dangers, while poor decision can lead to negative consequences. Number 5. Why has this legend endured? The legend remains popular because it is passed down orally from generation to generation. It is part of Guatemalan cultural identity. It blends mystery, adventure, and a moral lesson. It reflects the story and beliefs of the people. Okay, reflection on my personal experience with this lane. It has influencing how I feel when I am out at the night. I feel safe because I know I am not doing anything wrong. I respect boundaries regarding where I go, and I remain calm because I do not go out to cause trouble, trusting that I will return home safely. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you so much. Bye bye.